setting up your first email marketing campaign. Hey there, my friends. Let's continue working on our reward-deserving email marketing strategies. This time around, we're going to show you how to actually set up an email marketing campaign for the first time easily the right way. Please note for this video, we're going to use our MailChimp account. And although the actual steps may differ a little from one email marketing platform to the other, the basic process keeps on being the same. So you'll simply have to take notes in case you're using a different email marketing tool. Alright, so we will start on our MailChimp account, from where we are going to click on the Create Campaign button. Now MailChimp will allow you to set up 3 types of email marketing campaigns from the get-go. First, you'll be able to select the Create an Email option to create a simple email marketing campaign. The second option available is to create an ad, which will allow you to reach specific types of contacts with Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as with Google remarketing campaigns. Lastly, you'll be able to select the option to create a landing page, which will allow you to design a landing page to collect email addresses in exchange for a valuable piece of content or product. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a basic email marketing campaign from scratch. So we are going to select the Create an Email option. Now, as you can see, there are several types of email marketing campaigns that you can set up. You can start with a regular email campaign that you can edit according to your preferences. You can set up automated campaigns, which are based on subscriber behavior. You can set up plain text campaigns to fire off quick communications. And lastly, you'll be able to set up A/B test campaigns that will allow you to test up to 3 variations of the same email under the same campaign. In our example case, we're simply going to select the regular campaign type. We start setting up our new campaign by naming it in the campaign name field, and then we click on the Begin button to continue. Now we have to select who we are going to send this campaign to, so we click on the Add Recipients button, and then select the subscriber list from the Choose a List drop-down menu. Because this is a general content email that we want to send to all of our subscribers regardless of activity level, we're going to select the full subscribers list, and we are not going to segment it. Before we save our choice, we're going to check the Personalize option, and then we are going to select the first name or FName option from the Merge Tag menu. This will allow us to send personalized emails to each of our subscribers. Now we click on Save to continue. Now we have to click on Add From to make sure that our sender's information is up to date. We recommend you to always use your name, your company name, or a combination of both in the name field. Now that we've made sure that our sender's info is correct, we will simply click on Save to continue. Now we are going to click on Add Subject to enter our campaign subject line. Because we're going to send a content-focused campaign, we're going to use the "Did you miss any of this?" question as our subject line. Also, we are going to add personalization to our subject line. We can do this by inserting the FName tag at the beginning of the subject line preceded by the "Hey" expression. It will read as, "Hey, first name, did you miss any of this?" We are now going to click on Save to continue. Now we have to design the content for our email by clicking on the Design Email button. Now, as you can see, we have the option to select from a wide variety of email layouts, templates, and previous campaigns to get started. For this example case, though, we're simply going to select the marketing email template that we designed in a previous video for this exact purpose, and we can find it by clicking on the Saved Templates tab. Now we will simply have to click on it to select it, and on the following page, we will then click on Save and Close to continue. Awesome! This campaign setup is now finished. And now we simply have to either schedule it or send it right away. For this example case, we will send it right away. So we will simply have to click on the Send button and then on the Send Now button. And that is it. Our subscribers will start receiving this campaign soon. Next up, we're going to show you how to create a high-converting squeeze page to collect new email addresses the easy way. So tune in.